Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into converting PDF data into Excel spreadsheets using Microsoft Excel's built-in tools. This powerful feature lets you transform static PDF tables into editable spreadsheet data. Let's jump right in. First, let me show you the PDF file we'll be working with. As you can see, it contains both text content and a data table. Our goal is to extract this data table specifically into Microsoft Excel, where we can work with it more effectively. Let's start by launching Microsoft Excel. Once Excel is open, we'll create a new blank workbook to begin our conversion process. Now that we're inside Excel, our first task is to import the PDF file so Excel can interpret its contents. Look at the menu ribbon at the top of your screen and find the Data tab. Click on it to reveal all the data manipulation tools available to us. In the ribbon that appears, direct your attention to the Get and Transform Data group. Within this section, you'll find the Get Data tool. That's what we want to click first. Excel now presents us with an impressive array of data import options. You can bring in data from files, databases, Azure, and numerous other sources. For our purpose today, we need to focus on the From File option, so go ahead and click that. In the sub-menu that appears, look for and select from PDF. This option is specifically designed to help us extract data from PDF documents. Now a file selection window opens up. Navigate to where you've saved your PDF file. Select it and click to import. Give Excel a moment to analyze the file. It needs to scan through the PDF to identify any tables or data structures it can work with. Excel will now open the Navigator window to show us what it has found in our PDF. Looking at the results, we can see it has identified two distinct items. First, the specific table we're interested in, and second, the entire document's content as a whole. Let's select the table option and take a look at how Excel has interpreted our data. Examining the preview, we can spot an issue. The performance column hasn't been interpreted quite right. Instead of loading this incorrect data, we need to fix it first. Click the Transform Data button to make our adjustments. In the Power Query editor that opens up, select the problematic column. Look up at the ribbon's Transform group and find the Data Type option. We can see the issue now. Excel has mistakenly interpreted this column as date data. Let's change that by selecting Text as the data type instead. A window pops up asking how we want to handle this column type conversion. We have two options here: replace current or add new step. For our purposes, we'll choose replace current because we don't need to keep the incorrect interpretation. This approach is more straightforward and keeps our transformation process clean. Once we've made that change, we can see the data is now displaying correctly. Click Close and Load in the ribbon to bring our properly formatted data into Excel. And there's our data table. It's looking much better, but we can make a few visual improvements. Let's start by making the table easier on the eyes. Select the entire table, then look for the table style options. Choose a milder color scheme that will make our data more pleasant to view. Now we need to separate the data in column D into two columns. And while we're at it, let's also split the data in column C into two columns. First, we need to create some space. We'll need a blank column next to column C to accommodate the split data, otherwise it will overwrite column D. Select column D by clicking on its header, then right-click and select Insert from the context menu. This creates our needed space. Now, let's select all the data in column C. Head up to the ribbon and click on the Data tab. In the Data Tools group, look for and select the Text to Columns tool. You'll now see the Convert Text to Columns wizard. For step 1, you have two options: delimited or fixed width. Since our data is separated by slashes, select Delimited and click Next. In the next window, we need to specify our delimiter. Look at the other checkbox and select it. Then, type a / in the field next to it. Watch the preview window below. It updates in real time to show how your data will be split. The preview looks correct, so click Finish. Perfect. The data is now split. I could remove column D entirely since that information is now obvious and unnecessary, but I'll keep it for reference. Let's move on to splitting column E. Select all the data in column E, and once again, click the Text to Columns tool. Just like before, we'll select Delimited since our data is separated by dashes this time. Click Next. In the delimiter options, go to the Other field and replace the slash with a dash. Check the preview. It shows the data splitting correctly. Click Finish. Now we've got all our data split up, but there's one small issue. The second column isn't showing the currency symbol. Select the problematic data, then go to the Home tab in the ribbon. In the Number group, change the formatting from General to Currency. There we go, all fixed. We've successfully handled every aspect of the conversion process, from importing to cleaning up the data. Following these steps will help you transform any PDF table into a clean, organized Excel spreadsheet ready for analysis. And there you have it, tech enthusiasts. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy spreadsheeting.